चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And let's begin first up with the news that's coming in relation to the CBI probe into UGC NET exam. These are inside details, source-based information details rather, that are just coming in. That the CBI has registered case FIR under section 120B and 420 of the IPC. We are also given to understand that it was on 16th of June that the CBI received information that the UGC NET exam was leaked. Also, as per sources, the CBI has received inputs that this paper was sold for 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Let's go across to Riyanka. She's getting us details of what sources in CBI are telling Republic. Riyanka, we understand that 5 to 6 lakh rupees was given for each exam paper that was leaked.
Absolutely right. You know, we are talking here about the UGC NET exams, which stands cancelled one day after it was conducted. On the 18th, the exams were held. On the 19th, they were called off because the Education Ministry had received inputs from the cyber cell unit that there was certain irregularities. Now, from the sources of the CBI, we are getting to know that a case, that an FIR has been registered by the CBI against unknown persons for involving into the paper leak. What we are getting to know that the exam was held on the 18th and on the 16th the paper was leaked on the darknet and then circulated widely on social media. Now the CBI is neck deep into investigation in this case. It is in fact going ahead and probing the entire matter. It is in touch with the NT officials who were involved in conducting the examinations that day, and also the NT officials who were responsible for locking the paper. Remember, the paper is locked digitally before it is released on a printout form when it is given out, and which is why the CBI is currently looking out at multiple factors. We are also getting to know that around 5 to 6 lakh rupees was spent regarding this paper leak. Around 5 to 6 lakh rupees were spent to buy these papers that were released 2 days before the examinations. What we are getting to know here, that the Education Ministry has in fact filed a complaint with the CBI in this regard, and then the FIR was lodged, and which is why the CBI is currently taking look and probing the officials of the NT. And all of this is coming in the wake of the NEET examinations, where there are alleged irregularities as well. In fact, the paper leak cases are also coming out in terms of the NEET exams, which is very clear in terms of the CBI sources that the UGC NET exam paper was leaked 2 days before the date of the examinations when it was held on the 18th.
All right, Riyanka, thank you for the moment. And just to add to that, sources in CBI also tell Republic that several NTA officials are also under the scanner of the Central Bureau of Investigation at this point. While FIR has been registered against unknown persons, we'll be tracking more developments on that.